Hello students, today I will give a numerical related to topic elasticity, and generally these types of numerical asked which type of elastic energy based. When we compress elastic material or stretch, we have to do work. How much work has been done, that will be stored in the material, or you can say wire, in the form of elastic energy that we have to calculate. How to calculate these types of numericals we will discuss here. Here is the question: calculate increase in energy of brass bar of length 0.5 meter. That is length, that is 0.5 meter. This is the length of brass bar, and cross sectional area, that is 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square, and it is compressed with a load of 5 kg weight. It is compressed by a weight of 5 kg weight. This is the force which we apply in compression. Either apply the force or suspend some weight. Okay. Along its length, y, that is Young's modulus, that is given 1 into 10 to power 11, 1 into 10 to power 11 Newton per meter square, and g taken 10 meter per second square. To solve these types of numericals, first of all, you remember all the values should be in a MKS system. So here area that is given in centimeter square, so first convert it here, 1 into 10 to power 4 meter square. This is area in meter square, length already given in meter, and here force that is given 5 kg weight. So first convert it in Newton, and you know 1 kg weight equals G Newton. 1 kg weight is equal to G Newton. That means G how much? According to question, that is 10 Newton. According to question. If not given, take 9.8. And here how much force? That is 5 Newton. So 5 kg weight equal to 5 into 10 Newton. So you have F is equal to 50 Newton. Okay. Now you have to calculate elastic energy. You have the formula U equal to 1 upon 2 stress, strain, and volume of the wire. Volume of the wire. You formulate this question according to given data. This is F upon E. This is small upon capital L, and that is A into F. This is the value of wire, brass wire. According to question, there is no increment or compression length. जो compressed length है, that is not given. Compressed length not given. That means strain should be absent here. यहाँ पे जो strain है ये absent है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे compression नहीं दिया हुआ, कितना compression हुआ है. So eliminate this data. That means you have to eliminate L by L. How to eliminate this one? You know y is equal to F upon E upon small l upon capital L. Or another way, you can write here y equals stress upon strain. So you have to remove this strain. So strain equals stress upon y. Clear? So this stress, this strain will remove. In place of this L by L, what should be? That is stress upon y. That is stress upon y. So you have the formula U equals 1 upon 2 F upon E, and this is stress, that is F upon E upon y, and into A into L. So this A and this A cancel out. So you have 1 upon 2 F square upon Y into L. Now see the data, what you have. So according to this data, you have to manage this formula. So you have this one. That is 1 upon 2 F square Y into L. F required, that is given. Y required, that is given. L required, that is given. So on putting these values, that is U equals 1 upon 2 F, that is 50 into 50, and L, that is 0.5 upon Y, that is 1 into 10 to the power 11. Clear? So the decimal of this power of 1250 into 10 to the power minus 11 upon 2. On dividing, you get the value of how much work has been done in compressing the wire, and that will be stored in the brass wire in the form of this elastic potential energy. Okay, now see another example related to this topic, that is now see the question. That is, length of wire is 1 meter. Length of wire is 1 meter. Length of wire is 1 meter. An area of cross-section 2.5 mm square. An area of cross-section, that is 2.5 mm square. That means 2.5 into 10 to the power minus of 6 meter square. Already I have discussed, when given in mm or centimeter, first convert in meter. Okay, and it is stressed. In previous question, the wire is compressed. Now I am stretching. It is stressed by 1 mm. It is stressed by 1 mm. That means 1 into 10 to the power minus of 3 meter. ये इसमें इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. By applying a force, calculate the elastic potential energy in the wire in the stretched condition, and Y is given 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. So you have to calculate how much energy or work will be required to stretch the wire up to 1 mm. Now see here, work done or energy, that is 1 upon 2, same formula, stress, strain into volume. Same repeat, 1 upon 2, F upon A, small upon capital L, and volume, that is A into L. Here, force is not given. So, this data, this stress should try to absent here. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, इसको absent करने का प्रयास करेंगे. So, here, Y equals stress upon strain. So, stress, when remove, you have Y into strain. So you have the formula 1 upon 2, that is Y into strain into volume. That is 1 upon 2 Y into small l upon capital L, small l capital L, and A into L. This L and L cancel out. So you have 1 upon 2 Y into small l square upon capital L into A. And now see the data. Y required, that is given. Small l, that is given. Area cross-section, that is given. And length given. So only you have to put the value 1 upon 2 Y, that is 2 into 10 to the power 11, and L, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 of whole square, and into A, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon L, that is 1. So this 2 and 2 cancel out. So you have only 10 to the power 11, 10 to the power minus 6 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So very easily you can calculate energy stored in the wire. So both types of question I have discussed. So to solve these types of numerical, you first take the data according to question and see your formula, what is required and what is given. According to that one, you have to manage your formula and get the answer. Okay, thank you.